Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be making donuts. Let's get this out of the way. I found this recipe on YouTube and I'm trying it out. So right here I have a quarter cup of honey. We don't have sugar, so I'm gonna use honey in the recipe instead, which to be honest is better, healthier. Okay. And then I'm gonna put 1 cup of whole milk. 6 tablespoons of salted butter. You can use unsalted butter, but if you use unsalted butter, you should add a half teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to pop this into the microwave and let it warm up and the butter melt. And then I'm gonna add my yeast. I'm gonna add a dash of vanilla extract. Yeesh, that was a lot. Okay, that was way too much, but we move. Now I'm gonna add the mixture into this mixing bowl. This is for my stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can totally still make this recipe. You're just gonna have to knead the dough. And then I'm gonna put 2 eggs. Oopsies. Whoops. Eggs are super expensive right now. Eee! Oh my god. And I'm gonna put a half tablespoon of yeast. Dry yeast, active dry yeast. I'm gonna mix this all together and then set it aside for the yeast to cool. I was not supposed to add these ingredients how I added them, but like at the end of the day, they all get added at some point, so it's the same difference. So don't worry if you don't add it in this order, you're gonna be fine as long as all the ingredients are in. That the yeast has poofed, I'm going to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. This is a half cup, and I already measured it out in this bowl, so don't worry. Like, don't count the cups that I'm putting in. Yeah. You're gonna put that dough hook down, lock it, and put it on 2 or 3. So it's been mixing for a while now. This is what the dough is looking like. Wow. Might have overmixed it. Let's get some and do that blue egg window test. I guess it's ready. Okay, we're gonna pop it back into here to rise. Now that the dough has doubled in size, should I do it? I didn't want to do that. It's doubled in size. Gonna roll it out. I'm gonna use this to make my holes. It's kind of small, but I don't want it to be this big, and I don't have a dough cutter or whatever, cookie cutter, so I'm gonna just use this. Is that rain? Anyways, this is what it's gonna look like. So I'm realizing this is kind of small, so I did use this, and this is what it looks like, and then I just made the hole with my finger, because I don't have something. Wait, I didn't think this through. I don't have the tools, okay? So you just gotta make do with what you have. So this is just what I did. I just did this, and then basically just kind of shaped it. So this is how I made my hole. Okay. So now I have my donut hole. The donuts have risen a second time for about 40 minutes. You put on your fire and get ready for the frying process. I'm gonna just test one in the oil. I don't know if this is hot. Smell. Not one, more than one. 2, 3, 4. You gonna go for a walk, Miguel? You or? Dog. No, I said a walk, not dog. I don't know what's happening with these donuts. Is this how it's supposed to be? So I hate making donuts, girl. Down. Up. Down. Roll, roll, roll your boat. Roll, roll, roll your boat. Gently down the stream. Life is butter. This is a donut. Donut. You just need some of that? Just need that, but it is hot. You have to be waiting. You have to be waiting. You have to be waiting. Okay, when it's cooled down, then I'll give you some of it, okay? So don't try this recipe because I don't know how these donuts came out. They're not sweet enough, and I will be trying again. I mean, it's alright. They're not nasty. It's just not what I was shooting for. I'm gonna glaze it with condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. That's what I like the best, and this is what my friend wants as well.